Hey everyone, welcome back. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you step by step how you can easily create a zip file on your Mac. This is super useful if you want to compress your files, save storage space, or send multiple items together in one simple package. So let's get started. First, go to your desktop or the folder where your files are stored. So create a new folder and give it a name, then dragging and dropping all your files into that folder. Once your folder is ready, the next step is to right-click on it. A menu will appear with several options. From this menu, click on Compress. Now your Mac will automatically start compressing the folder. This might take a few seconds or longer depending on how many files are inside and how large they are. Once the process is done, you'll notice a new file appearing right next to your folder. This is your zip file. It will have the same name as your folder, but with zip at the end. You can now share this. That's it. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy Mac tutorials.